Welcome to the world of Ansible. Imagine having a digital assistant who never complains and executes your tasks flawlessly. That's Ansible. Modules are the backbone of automation, eliminating manual drudgery. While built-in modules cover most needs, sometimes custom modules become necessary for those niche requirements. It's like tailoring a suit, it fits better. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Think of Ansible modules as pre-written magic spells. You cast them, run them, and automation happens. They break down complex IT tasks into simple, repeatable steps, reducing human errors. With thousands of modules available, it's like having a toolkit where everything is labeled, and you never have to wonder what that mysterious screwdriver does. Why reinvent the wheels? Well, sometimes the standard wheel doesn't fit your car. Built-in modules cover common tasks, but for highly specific needs, custom modules step in. They give you control, efficiency, and yes, less manual work. Because if automation doesn't reduce effort, is it even automation? All right, let's talk about input and output. Basically, the lifeline of any module. First, we need to ensure we're receiving data correctly. If garbage goes in, garbage comes out, nobody wants that. Next, validation is key. We must keep our inputs clean, like washing vegetables before cooking. Formatting output makes our results readable, because cryptic data helps no one. Finally, optimizing data flow keeps things running smoothly. Like a well-planned highway, no unnecessary traffic. Testing locally is like rehearsing before the big stage debut. First, we set up a test-friendly environment. Think of it as a safe playground. Next, we experiment with sample data, just like taste testing a new recipe. Error handling is crucial. We must prepare for worst-case scenarios like a parachute before skydiving. Finally, debugging ensures everything works before launch, because nobody likes last-minute surprises. Module integration is like adding a new ingredient to a master recipe. It must blend well. First, we check how the module fits within the bigger system. Think of it as a puzzle piece, it has to match. Then, smooth data exchange is key, just like good communication in a team. Handling dependencies is like ensuring our ingredients don't clash. Finally, real-world testing confirms everything works when it matters. Debugging is basically detective work. You spot problems and solve them. First, identifying issues is like finding hidden clues. Next, debugging tools are our magnifying glasses, helping us zoom in on the problem. Fixing errors is satisfying, like solving a puzzle. Lastly, documenting everything ensures we don't repeat the same mistakes. Think of it as writing down a recipe so next time, we don't forget the secret ingredient. Great module development is like building a solid house. It needs a strong foundation. Clean code keeps things readable and maintainable, like a neat workspace. Standards and guidelines act as our blueprint, ensuring consistency. Version control helps track changes, so no lost progress. Finally, refactoring is essential, like renovating a home to keep it modern and functional. We've covered a lot, and now it's time to wrap up. First, key takeaways ensure we don't miss the big points, like bookmarking the best pages of a book. Then learning never stops, so keep experimenting. Useful resources will help in further exploration, just like a good map for travelers. Finally, applying this knowledge in real-world scenarios is where the magic happens. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.